Today, I will be showing you how to create affirmation cards in Canva using its bulk create feature. If this is something you're interested in, let's jump right into today's tutorial. It's very simple, very easy. You're gonna be like, oh, this was so easy. That's how easy it is. It's really easy, and I will be going through step by step. So let's jump right into today's tutorial. Now, when you go into Canva, the first thing you're going to do is customize your size. So select customize size. And for this, I'm going to do 4 by 6 inches. You can choose whatever size you want. And I'm going to select create. And you should have something like this in your design space. Then I'm just going to go and upload my background image that I want to use, and you can use AI to create whatever background that you may have in mind. So I'm just going to work with this simple background for now, and then we're going to hop into ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, I'm going to say, and wait for ChatGPT to generate the list. Now we're going to copy one of the affirmations, and we're going to paste that into Canva on the background that we have. Now for this, you can go in and select whatever font you want to use. I'm going to use this one called Solway. I kind of like it. And you're going to do what you gotta do. And you can put it in bold just so it is visible. Or if you want to keep it on bold, that is fine. Not a problem. Next, we're going to go back into ChatGPT and we are going to copy the affirmations that was given to us. And we're going to paste this into Canva Bulk Create. So in Canva, you're going to select the page and you're going to select Edit, select Page, and you should see Bulk Create. Then you're going to select Enter Data Manually and you're going to select Add Text. And for this, I'm going to say affirmations and you're going to paste the affirmations below. Then you're going to select Done. Then you're going to select auto match fields. So Canva is just going to analyze what we currently have over here so it can be duplicated for us to add the additional quotes. Once that is done, you want to ensure that this is the one that was auto matched. Once it's highlighted in that purple hue, you're going to select continue. And it's going to show the list of everything that will be added to your design space. And you're going to select create 20 designs. And it's going to give you this prompt here. All you have to do is select view design and it's going to take you into a different workspace where the bulk create was done. Now, as you can see, it did change how we edited this, so if you look closely, the Bible verse is beneath the affirmation where we want it to be slightly down just a little bit. So we may have to go in and do that manually, which is not a big deal. You have to ensure that your work is done properly. Whenever you're creating your products, that's what will set you apart from your competitors. And this is what we're looking like after we've made our little edits and adjustments. Now, whenever you are using AI to reference anything, so for example, this is referencing the Bible, always double check to ensure the scripture or the verse actually relates to what the affirmations are saying. And this is the end of today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, as well as comment down below what you'd like to see me do next. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Until next time.